Welcome back to Accidental Garage. My name is Brian, and this is part 9 of the build on my 1954 Plymouth Belvedere. I got up early this morning and all the wiring is now complete. I didn't have much to go. I'm actually going to get to show you me crimping the wires and getting them in place. I'll just do that with one wire. So let's go ahead and get started and we'll see what we got going on. Alright, I tried to do this last weekend and for some reason the video cut out. That was one reason why the video was so short. I'm going to strip this off. And then I'm going to get one of these butt connectors. I get these at Harbor Freight. It's not a butt connector. Put it in here like this. I think I'm going to cut that back a little bit though. I got this little stripper cutter from Harbor Freight. I get most of my stuff from Harbor Freight. It works for me. It doesn't give much room for the other wire to go in. I'll have to do this. Oh yeah, it's fine. All right. These are butt connectors. I just crimp them onto the end of the wire after I strip it. And then I will put the other end on the wire that's in there. I don't know how I'm going to get this up there. We'll find out. I'll try to straighten out that wire so I can get it to fit through the hole of the butt connector. Let's see. I'm going to do a test run to make sure it fits in there. Oh yeah. There it is. That was pretty easy. I've struggled more with others. All I need now is the ignition cylinder. That is at a locksmith. It's been out for 2 weeks. I could not call yesterday. I was too busy and they are closed today. So first thing Monday that I can, I'm going to call them and find out where that ignition cylinder is. And hopefully I'm looking forward to, I don't know if I'll be able to do it Monday or Tuesday, but if I can get it back earlier in the week, I'll wire that thing in and do some testing. Otherwise, next weekend is the day that we're going to do some testing on this electrical system. Thanks again for coming out to Accidental Garage. You have a good day.